Last time we showed you the Splash Day master plan. It's been an incredible amount of work to get to this point. It's taken a long time, literally years of work for this very day. It's here. It's here! I can't believe I'm saying that out loud. We have had so many discouraging days, but this is not one of them. In this video, you will see us do the final preparations for paint, sanding, pressure washing, primer, and paint. What? To say we're excited to be here is an understatement. This milestone is unreal. Hi, I'm Whitney, and this is my husband Cameron, and we have found ourselves in the middle of a big project. This is the Lady Hawk. We will turn this boat from a rotten mess to a beautiful vacation getaway. Follow along as we tear this boat apart piece by piece, taking her down to the bones. We want to document the work and perseverance it'll take to put her back together and bring her into modern times. The end goal? Show our young kids what life is like on the water by exploring our backyard, the Salish Sea. Watch this wild, crazy adventure unfold. It's hot in the tent today. I don't know, it's not that hot, but this tent is hot. So I'm working on moving everything off the top side of the boat today. We're getting ready to paint in a couple of weeks. Look what Dad did. Doesn't it look so amazing? It's like such a big difference just with pressure washing. So after seeing that, we're clearing off the whole top. We're gonna pressure wash everything, top to bottom. So my job, clean up all this stuff.
Whoa! Look at it. It's so pretty. Wow. Yeah, that makes a huge difference. It's like clean, almost clean anyways.
Sanding, my favorite. drain for the
It's just a
lazarette?
flared connection thing.
Okay.
I don't know. Look here.
Ooh. Okay. Look at this. It's all wet.
I'll leave that open.
Don't fall in the hole.
Wow.
So, what'd you do?
Ah,
You made the boat wet.
it's super wet.
Is it a boat now?
I think it's wet enough to be a boat. Yeah, it's amazing.
I'm walking
where it was.
around from where it
So
was,
looks
yeah.
like- insert duck sound here. Well, this peak up here is gonna actually take varnish pretty well, it seems like.
Cool.
Or Cetal.
Let's see.
Cetal is what we're doing.
Wow. Look at that.
It's shiny up here.
It'll look a lot better with primer, so.
Yeah.
After all the final preparations were done, we hired a painter. But we call him Dad. No, seriously. He's painted heavy equipment for, well, forever. My whole life. So, he came up with this plan to hang tarps to protect Lady Hawk from overspray until splash day.
Like thinner shots or something?
Yeah. You can walk on it probably.
The shoes, you think? Or?
Well, wipe them off with a rag or...
I just switch the socks.
Yeah.
Wow, what a difference that makes. It's like just a whole new boat. So many little spots to fill in and go around and do a little, well, twice, third time, fourth over, fifth over, I don't know. Pretty cool.
Looks great. I'm really excited. Sure made a big difference. I know we have work to do still, but it's making a huge difference.
What the? What? Like, come on. This is crazy. It looks so good.
Thanks for watching.